Welcome back. This is Ryan with the Executive Education Alliance, and today I'm going to talk with you about Chrome settings, and you're going to tweak the settings in Google Chrome to allow you to have the browser do exactly what you want. So this is really helpful because, for instance, you may want to have your new tab page function like this and be able to have this come up each time you open a new tab. Or you may want to have your home page when I click on the middle mouse wheel or on a touchpad mouse, click two fingers instead of three. On my particular one, I can have my home page open up Google, or if I just wanted to open on the same page, just click once and that's my home page. But I could set my home page to anything in the settings, and there are a number of other things you can do in the settings as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what those are. If you go up to the top right of your browser, you'll see this wrench. Go ahead and click on that wrench, and when you do that, scroll down to settings. And in here, you'll see what I have it set to is anytime I close Google Chrome, the next time I open it, all the same tabs that I had open. So if I closed it right now, all of these tabs would open up again. You can also set it just to open the home page that you have or open a specific set of pages every time. I like it to open up all the ones I had open before. On the home page, you can change it to be whatever you want, or just have it be the new tab page. On the toolbar, you can have it show the home button, which I do. That's this button right here. And you can have it always show the bookmarks bar. Your bookmarks bar is crucial for using Google Chrome well, so do have it show the bookmarks bar. Otherwise, you're stuck like this, and navigating to your bookmarks each time through the wrench is very tedious. So go ahead and keep both of those checked. And by the way, as you notice, each time you do something in here, you don't have to save it. It automatically will just change and update for you. Keep your search set on Google, and if you want, you can enable instant for faster searching, which will essentially pull up different search result sets as you type. And then the default browser, I make Google Chrome my default browser. If you're primarily doing work on other browsers and you want to use Google Chrome only for internet marketing, which you don't do that often, go ahead and make it your secondary browser. But if you're part of my team, you're going to want to make Google Chrome your default browser. Personal stuff. So you can have your account sync with other accounts, with other computers, for instance, so that your bookmarks are always the same across different computers. You can add new users so that other people have different settings and different privileges on Google Chrome. You can have passwords be saved. Now, I do that. Obviously, it decreases the security on your computer. If someone steals your computer, they can log into your accounts. That just speeds me up, and I choose to do it. You can turn that off as well, and you can manage your saved passwords here. I also have it set to autofill my information. So anytime I need to go to a form that allows autofill, I just double click on that form, and instantly it allows me to choose to drop in all of my address and name and phone number details all at once instead of needing to manually type them in each time. Very handy. Browsing data, again, you can import your bookmarks and your settings from another browser, especially helpful if you're going from one computer to another and you haven't synced up your Google Chrome, or if you're switching from Internet Explorer to Google Chrome, for instance. And themes are pretty pathetic in Google Chrome. They can be very beautiful. Unfortunately, they make it very difficult to see a lot of your icons and windows and can be pretty distracting. I recommend not using themes. Under the hood, you can see privacy settings, how large the font size is, and you can also see other various details. The one important one in here is the downloads setting. So where do you have your information download to? Normally on a Windows computer, that will go right to your downloads folder. On a Mac, it will be different. But you can choose exactly what folder on your computer it downloads to. I have mine go right to my desktop, so anytime I download something new, I instantly have to file it away in the right place or take action on it because it's right in front of my face. So that's why I like to save mine to the desktop. But definitely set this to exactly where you want it to go. Or you can just have it ask you to where to save each file before you download. I can tell you that will take up extra time that you don't want to waste if you can just have a specific folder that everything downloads to. And then you can continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. So anything that is an application in Google Chrome, you can have it continue to run. Not really important. You can turn that off if you want to. And here are your extensions. So anytime you want to look at deeper options for your extensions, just click on this little down arrow. Allowing them in incognito mode, you can do up to you on each application, and then you can see the options for each one as well. So go ahead in here and choose what types of options. Each extension will have a different set of options available. That's it for our Google Chrome extensions and extra settings look at extra settings. Thanks for joining me today, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Go ahead and do this right now. Go in and adjust these settings and make it exactly how you want Google Chrome to function. Make it your own personal browser. Thanks for joining me.